eModels.co.uk. Make something awesome.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Festa here from eModels again, and what have we got for you today, I hear you ask? Well, we've got some pin vices for you to have a looky-loo at. First up, we have got the GodHand short power pin vise with deep collet. We've then got the cutest little micro power pin vise, and it is cute, folks. And we'll be showing you some drill bits in a bit. But first up, this one is GHPBS DC. And it is the GodHand deep collet pin vise. Its slim rotary washer fits in the palm of your hand and is easier to hold. It is comfortable and stable for smooth work. In addition to the slim, easy to hold rotary washer, a steel-made deep collet is adopted, enabling you to insert your drill bits an hell of a lot deeper. And by doing that, it brings the work that you're doing closer to your hand, stops a bit of the old drill bit vibration and snapping that can be apparent in other makes. As you can see, the collet unscrews for easy removal. It's one-ended, so it's sealed at the other end, but it enables you to bed the drill bit right the way back, and this works with all the GodHand drill bit series. So yes, so we'll quickly assemble that back together. It's also got the nice rubber grip around it. It's the GodHand original rubber grip, folks, not just any rubber grip, but it does stop or reduce finger strain, and for me that is an absolute godsend, no pun intended. But it's something that is nice, feels right between your thumb and finger there, which is a massive thumbs up from me, and that will sit nicely in your hand and enable you to do a nice bit of drilling. And next up we have got the cutest little micro power pin vise, and this one is an absolute blessing for that real close-up, highly detailed work, and it's highly compact and specialised for the ultra-fine drills. It is exclusively for ultra-fine drills of less than 1 mil diameter, so it is really ideal for that precision work. A bit like me, if you're drilling photo etch or really fine detail holes from drill bits with shafts of 0.1 to 1 mil diameter can fit this one. It is a lighter and smaller than the power pin vise, but it is really a nice drill bit to use. The steel collet does grip thin drill bits firmly, enabling the more stable work. It's got a small and light body, is easy to handle, and it is perfect for the detailed works such as shaft threading. There you go. It's got a wear-resistant steel collet, and it does hold it without blades firmly without idling. And then you've got the GodHand Drill Bit Series C, GHDB 8C, and these go from, he says, looking for the size, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9. So we'll open the case and have a look. But these are designed exclusively for models which have never existed before. It features a specially designed obtuse angle for stable cutting. Thanks to the cutting edge on the tip, it is easy to penetrate the surface with only light force, folks. This is resulting in less distorted holes, making it easy to create near perfect circles. It's also the perfect match for the Spin Blade series of drills, which are sold separately, and I'll be doing a review on them shortly. As I said, this is set C. There are various other sets available, and this will cut and edge a clean hole by hand through plastic boards. So yeah, each size features an exquisite length for easy handling, shorter cutting edges than general drill blades, and they allow for a closer focal distance to the target. There you go. So we'll cut off a little bit of the 1/16 tank because that's got some little 1.1mm holes that need drilling. And I don't know about you, but I kind of want to have a play with the little pin vices. So why not? So let's just show you what we've got there. This is the drill bit. Comes in a nice, easy to open plastic case. Like I say, it'll keep all your bits separate like so. And it does lock after use. So you can put it in your drawer. It's not going to fly open or anything like that. But these drill bits look the part. They've got a nice sturdy shaft on them. As you can see there, slide it right back into the deep collet and then twist that up nicely. And already that feels substantial. Grab your piece off the cutting mat there. Try not to drill into your fingers because that's what I'm known for. And just lightly turn the drill bit. No pressure is needed. Let the drill bit do the work for you. And I can feel that cutting through straight away. Look at that. And that's done. Absolutely straight through that like a knife through butter. I'll just get the swarf off of that. And then I like to go through the back of the hole that I've just drilled. Just to get any remnants off the back there. But already I'm loving that because there was no effort required whatsoever to go in there. So yeah, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I want to drill another hole now, folks. Yeah, you know I'm going to. But yeah. Shall we go for a bump? Yeah, why not? Look at that. Just line it up. I tend to rest it on the cutting mat. You can do it with your pinky finger there. Just give it a little little shifty-rooney like so. And I'm putting no pressure on that whatsoever. And that is absolutely biting straight through the plastic there. And that is gone through in no time at all. Real time, folks. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I'm loving that. These are going to be really put to use on this tank build. This is an upcoming build for our friends at eModels. And these tools are going to be put to work on this because, yeah, that is so easy. I want to do another one. I've got to do it. Look at that. No effort whatsoever there. Just line that up so you can see a bit better what I'm doing. Look at that. Minimal required effort on there. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, I'd thoroughly recommend these to any of you out there. Yeah, I love that a lot. That's just me being fussy, scraping off a little bit of placky there. But yeah, really do what they say on the tin then. Might as well drill the last hole. Really is minimal effort going in through this. Yeah, I am so impressed with these drills. So don't forget, this is set C, so obviously there's an A and a B set as well. So yeah, treat yourselves, folks. Grab some. So that's the short power pin vise there with the deep collet. And it's got a set C drill bit in it. And like I say, very easy to add and remove these drill bits. I'm going to bung it back in the case for safekeeping because I am a bit clumsy, folks. Those that watch me videos will see that. I do have a habit of dropping stuff. But a really nice, useful set of drill bits there that are very functional. We've now got, which I think is the cutest, is the little micro pin vise. It is so cute. It is really cute. And it's the same principle. Line your drill bit up. Just quickly do that under my magnifying glass there because I am a bit blind. And that is such a cute little vise. But where it is so tiny, you can get right into all the little tiny bits. Now I'm going to take a chance and drill out through my photo etch bender because it's the nearest bit of styrene I've got. I'll probably regret this at a later date. But literally finger on the end there spin the drill in your hand like that, and it's got the same GodHand rubber grip on it as the power pin vise. But look at that, it is absolutely going straight through there. So if you've got any jeweler's drill bits or anything like that, real fine stuff, little fine CNC bits, that sort of thing, they might go through that quite happily. But look at that, tiny, tiny little detailed drill there. And for me, I do a lot of photo etch stuff and a lot of opening of car doors and things like that on me kits. And now I can use a sheet of brass to make tiny little hinges and drill that and pin them because I've got a micro pin vise. So yeah, great value for money and well worth adding to your toolbox. Any serious modeler out there that likes their pin vices and their tools, you can't go wrong with this, because as in the blurb on the eModels site, GodHand do make the best tools in the modelling world. So treat yourselves, folks. Go out, grab yourself this pair of pin vices and some drill bits. Nice bit of weight to it, as you can see there. They really do feel great in the hand. They feel they're going to last. They certainly feel quality. They really do. And above all, they function. They do what it says on the tin, folks, which for me is a massive thumbs up. And that set C there, like I say, goes from 1.1 right the way through to 1.9. So it'll cover most of your drilling needs there. And as you can see by what I've drilled on that piece of plastic there, they really do the job well, folks. Links to all three of the items I've just shown you are in the description below this video. And there are also links to the entire GodHand range. So I'll see you on the next one, folks. Bye-bye for now. Bye.